Today I'll share my 4 years experience of using this Philips ProSkin 3000 series trimmer. This is Philips ProSkin 3000 series trimmer and the model number is QT-4011. This trimmer operates on 15 volt 5.4 watt inbuilt battery. This is the charging point and the charging point is Philips proprietary one. This is the on-off switch and the power indicator is integrated with this switch. When the battery power goes down, the indicator blinks in orange. It blinks green at the time of charging and gets solid green as it gets fully charged. The charging time is 60 minutes and after a full charge you can use this product up to 90 minutes wirelessly. This trimmer comes with titanium blades and it offers 0.5 mm precision 20 lock-in length settings. This is the dial to set the bed trimming length. I am using this trimmer regularly since last 4 years and I have never faced any kind of issue with this trimmer. This product is not washable, but the precision trimming comb and the blade head is removable and washable. There is a lock notch in the blade section and a notch housing in the main body of this trimmer. You have to put the notch in the notch housing and then have to give a gentle press to fit in the blade head in the main body of the trimmer. And then you have to align the guardrail point of the comb and you have to gently slide in and push it into the body of the main trimmer to lock in the comb in place. The build quality is solid and of course it is a Philips product, so the build quality is as expected. And in this 4 years of heavy usage, I have never felt that its trimming ability or hair cutting ability has deteriorated anyway. The titanium blades are working pretty good as it was on the day one. So friends, if you are looking for an efficient beard trimming tool, you can definitely go for Philips ProSkin 3000 series QT-4011 beard trimmer. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching. Let's talk with Chandan. Have a nice one.